This is Skydio R1. These guys would tell you that it's a fully autonomous flying camera that's built around the most advanced tracking and navigation system ever flown, using the power of artificial intelligence to see the world through 13 cameras, ultra-precise visual tracking, deep neural networks to map and understand the world around it, a prediction system that looks 4 seconds into the future to determine its trajectory, and a continually expanding set of software-defined cinematic skills. But to put it simply, R1 is a drone that flies itself so that you can get awesome 4K footage of the cool stuff that you like to do, without having to worry about hitting obstacles or crashing or, flying it at all. Yeah, did we mention that it's a flying robot? R1 puts people at the center of the story, and because you don't need a pilot, you can focus on you and your adventures. Here's how easy it is to use R1. Open the Skydio app on your phone, swipe up to launch it, tell R1 who or what you want it to follow, and you're off. Your flying robot buddy up there will capture your world in 4K and not run into stuff while it does it. R1 follows you on its own, but you can tell it to capture different types of shots on the fly from the app, like Droney, Boomerang, and Rocket, just to name a few. Or if you want a little more creative control of your epic footage, you can do things like set up a virtual cable cam for that cool reveal shot you had in mind. Yeah, that one looks about right. All of these skills and shots are accessible in a few taps on your phone, or even your Apple Watch. So yeah, that's the Skydio R1, an obstacle-avoiding, self-flying, 4K capturing, AI-powered robot companion of the future. From capturing your family bike ride to off-roading with friends, to taking your vacation selfies up quite a few notches. Todd, we get it. Your vacation was more awesome than ours. R1 uses some incredible technology to help you make incredible memories easily. With R1 and the Skydio app, you've just upped your video making game by, well, a bunch. You can film it yourself and even export and share it right from the app, presumably with all of your non-robot friends.
Hey, it's James with Engadget. We're out in the Nevada desert for the drone radio. We're here looking at Nixie. It's a wearable camera. You wear it on your wrist like a wristwatch. You got to give it a slap like this, and as you'll see, you can kind of carry it around, walk about your business, and when you decide you want to take a photograph, your flying camera, you just take it off like this, and obviously you set it off up in the air and get yourself a picture.
law of the jungle. The predator is coming. Who is a predator? A brick? A dinosaur? A backpack? The predator is a meaty and easy-to-control quadcopter. Flexible materials ensure high protection against a harsh environment and minor bounce. Swift and responsive, powerful and energetic, precise and quick stop. Enjoy the flight in headless mode. Cool 360-degree flip. Outdoor boat fly at park or open area. Indoor gentle fly at home. Shuttle at ease. Safe crash. Just press the one key return. Back to you safely. Begin your adventure and experience the brand new Predator now.